Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my jumbo high puffs. So I'm starting off on old stretched hair, I guess. I recently just had my hair in a low bun, so I guess that's kind of stretch if you want to say. And I'm using Lotta Body's Love Me 5-in-1 Miracle Styling Cream, and I'm using this as a leave-in. And next I'm going to be using their Twist Me Curl Styling Pudding. So I'm not putting a lot on my hair because I don't want my hair to be really defined. I want my hair to just have like a wave, and you'll see towards the end of the video exactly what I'm talking about. But I'm just doing a big Bantu knot. So I'm actually doing 8 in total, 4 on each side of my head. And I just start twisting it all the way down until there's just a little hair left at the tip. I don't twist that part. I don't know why, but I don't. And then I just start wrapping it around itself. And when I wrap it around itself, I'm putting the hair underneath. And I just continue to do this throughout my whole head. Also, you can definitely use bobby pins to keep your Bantu knot in place so that it won't unravel when you sleep, especially if you're a wild sleeper. They will definitely unravel at night. So if you need bobby pins, do not hesitate to use them. So the next morning, I'm just using some of my Tailored Beauty Grow Thick oil to take down my hair. Now, when I take down my hair, it's not going to be extremely defined because I didn't put a lot on it, but that's what I was going for. But I will be using these products in a later video because I really haven't used them to actually like style my hair. So I really want to see what it looks like. I'm not exactly sure what style I want to do, but I will be using them in a later video. If y'all have any suggestions on what I should do, what style I should do with these products, definitely let me know in the comments below. And now I'm just separating the hair. I'm not twisting it around my finger or anything. I'm just separating the hair about 2 times for each Bantu knot. Separating it about 2 or 3 times. Not too much because I don't want it to be frizzy, but just enough to where I have a little bit of volume. So next, I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb and fluff my hair out some more. So what I'm doing is moving my hair up towards the top of my head, but putting the wide tooth comb at my roots and just shaking them just to get some more volume at my roots. And I continue to do that throughout my whole head as well. And y'all already know that I gotta slay these edges, so I'm using my even edge control and putting that around the perimeter of my head because I don't want to have no nappy kitchen while wearing a high puff. So now I'm just taking my headband, hair bow, hair tie, whatever you want to call it, and I'm putting it on twice while I put it over my hair, cross it over, and then put it back over my head. So I do it twice and try to get all of my hair through. And then I just do the next step, which is fluff, tuck, and shape. And that's literally all I do. I know y'all are like, my curls just look a hot mess, but trust me, the end result is everything as long as you do fluff, tuck, and shape. All right, guys, see, I told you my hair was going to look better towards the end, but that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching my video, and definitely let me know what you think about this super jumbo high puff in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more natural hair videos, and I will see you all on the next video.